Hello viewers, this is Censor Studio bringing you a bag of common sense. I will deliver news about the Israel-Iran war. A large cloud of smoke is currently visible in Tehran, Iran, seemingly caused by an Israeli military airstrike. This is the Fordow nuclear facility. It is presumed that a massive fire has broken out at this nuclear facility. The Israeli military attacked the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps' Karbala base in Abaji, southern Iran, on a large scale. The Israeli Air Force attacked a Hezbollah facility in southern Lebanon. The Israeli military attacked F-14 Tomcat fighter jets in the air. This is the moment when the F-14 Tomcat fighter jets were mercilessly destroyed. The video shows the Israeli military intercepting and shooting down a Shahed 136 drone which reportedly crashed inside Israel. This is the area around the Strait of Hormuz. As the United States attacks 3 of Iran's nuclear facilities, tensions are rising in the Strait of Hormuz as well. Some merchant ships in the Strait of Hormuz appear to be leaving at an unusually high speed after receiving certain information. Israel has closed its airspace. Iran claims the United States' attack on its nuclear facilities violates international law. Iran claimed that the United States attacked its Fordow, Natanz, and Isfahan nuclear facilities. Iran reported no damage to its nuclear facilities and declared it will proceed with its nuclear program. On Saturday night, President Donald Trump addressed the nation and then warned Iran via social media that if they respond with force, the United States will take overwhelming retaliatory action. United States Navy drones are currently monitoring Iran while patrolling the Strait of Hormuz. Details about an airstrike have been revealed. The United States reportedly sent 6 B-2 bombers that dropped 12 bunker buster bombs on Iran's Fordow nuclear facility. A Navy submarine launched 30 Tomahawk cruise missiles at Natanz and Isfahan, while a B-2 bomber dropped 2 bunker buster bombs on Natanz, officials said. Saudi Arabia reported that, as a result of the United States' attack on Iran's nuclear facilities, no radioactive effects harmful to the environment of Saudi Arabia and the Gulf region have been detected. That concludes the video. Thank you.